Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook truffle pasta. Boil 200 g pasta in heavily salted water until al dente, then reserve 1 cup of pasta water. Gently melt 2 tablespoons butter and 1 tablespoon olive oil in a warm pan, toss in cooked pasta, add 30 g grated cheese, and a splash of pasta water to create a silky sauce. Then finish with truffle oil or sliced truffle for aroma. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and salt generously, then add pasta and cook slightly under al dente to allow carryover cooking. While pasta cooks, warm butter and oil, add minced garlic and a pinch of salt, then toss drained pasta with reserved water and grated cheese to create a glossy emulsion. Drizzle truffle oil sparingly and add lemon zest or cracked pepper to brighten flavors. Keep ingredients simple to let the truffle shine, using unsalted butter and good cheese like Parmigiano Reggiano. If you prefer a richer sauce, fold in 2 tablespoons mascarpone or a splash of cream, but use sparingly so the truffle aroma remains dominant. Consider adding sautéed mushrooms for an earthy complement or top with microgreens for a fresh finish that balances the luxurious flavors without overpowering the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.